Spotify is standing in front of a storm, and this time it's not about payouts or missing features. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Music fans are furious, saying that Spotify is flooding its platform with a lot of AI-generated fake music. Angry users claim these tracks are subtly sprinkled storage into trusted playlists like Discover Weekly and Release Radar, leaving listeners feeling tricked. Users are getting on Reddit claiming that AI music is mixed directly into music created by real artists, and now they're demanding only one thing: that Spotify should clearly mark which music is made by AI and which is human. If a streaming service like Deezer can do this, so why can't Spotify? Spotify says the line between AI and human music isn't always clear. In a statement, Spotify said it's mainly focusing on blocking spam tracks, impersonation, and unauthorized voice cloning. It also claims it supports industry standard of AI and says that it doesn't create, own, or promote AI music. But fans can't be sold with this. Spotify promised to fix this back in September, and after 4 months, nothing has changed. That's where rivals are stealing the spotlight. Take Bandcamp. It's banned AI-generated music directly, no fuss. The platform admits some tracks may still slip through, but users can report anything suspicious, keeping control firmly in human hands. While Spotify talks about complexity and gray areas, competitors are making clean, decisive moves. Meanwhile, frustrated listeners want real artists, real music, and real transparency. But how can Spotify win the trust back? Simple. Start marking what is AI and what isn't. Label it, filter it, or ban it. And at least don't act like nothing's happening. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider. Like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Spotify is taking music streaming to the next level with its AI DJ, and 2025 is shaping up to be the year listeners finally get the control they've been wanting. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Spotify AI DJ is now available on iOS and Android. It creates personalized DJ sets using generative AI and your listening habits, letting you discover new tracks, rediscover old favorites, and skip songs, all done smoothly. This year, Spotify's graced the DJ with 3 standout features. First, DJ Livy now accepts Spanish voice requests, opening doors for millions of new users. Second, text requests let listeners type in exactly what they want, whether it's mood, genre, or style. It's perfect for public or quiet settings. And third, personalized text prompts suggest options tailored to your tastes, like energetic rock I may have missed or K-pop ballads for a relaxed evening, making it so easy to refresh your playlist. While these upgrades are exciting, the AI DJ still has so much potential. Fans want more control without constantly putting in requests like genre mixers, custom transitions, artist muting, or even AI remix options. An RJ-style commentary could elevate the experience further too. A desktop version would also make personalization simpler, letting users fine-tune sets on a bigger screen. Spotify's AI DJ is already a game changer for personalized listening, but the newest features hint at a future where your streaming experience will feel fully tailored. If Spotify keeps evolving the DJ with user feedback, music fans may finally get the ultimate AI-curated soundtrack. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this. Hey music lovers, buckle up because Spotify just dropped a game-changing update for Android Auto with version 9.0.58.596. From a sleek new design to the awesome Spotify Jam feature, your road trips are about to get way more fun. Let's dive into what's new. Want to control your music safely while driving and let your passengers join the playlist party? Spotify's redesigned Android Auto app is here to make it happen. Stick around to see why this update is a must-have for your next drive. Number 1. Redesigned interface. First up, the app's got a fresh new look. Spotify's redesigned interface is all about keeping things simple and safe. With bigger buttons, clearer menus, and bold album art, you can see what's playing at a glance and stay focused on the road. It's driver-friendly and super intuitive. Number 2. Offline mode made easy. No signal? No problem. Spotify's new downloaded section is front and center in your library, so you can instantly access your offline songs and playlists. Perfect for those long drives through dead zones or remote areas. Number 3. Smarter Search. Say goodbye to clunky Google Assistant searches. The new floating search button lets you type in your favorite song, artist, or podcast and pick from a list of results. No autoplay surprises. It's all about giving you control over what plays next. Number 4. Spotify Jam, the star of the show. Now the real party starter, Spotify Jam. Right from the now playing screen, passengers can scan a QR code to join the queue and add their favorite tracks to the playlist. It's perfect for road trips, letting everyone in the car play DJ. The driver stays in control and can boot anyone from the session if things get too wild. Up to 32 people can join. Talk about a group vibe. Number 5. The bigger picture. This update isn't just about Spotify. It's part of a bigger shift in how Android Auto handles media apps. Google says Amazon Music and YouTube Music are next in line for similar upgrades, so expect even more ways to enjoy music on the road soon. There you have it. Spotify's Android Auto update with version 9.0.58.596 is here to level up your drive with a slick design, smarter search, offline access, and the super fun Spotify Jam feature. Ready to hit the road with your crew and some killer tunes? Update your Spotify app on the Google Play Store now. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech and music updates. How to listen to audiobooks on Spotify. For those aiming to immerse themselves in more books this new year, there's a simple hack. Let someone read to you. The burgeoning popularity of audiobooks offers book lovers the chance to absorb stories while multitasking or winding down before sleep without the need to peruse physical books. Just like ebooks, easily accessible online, audiobooks present a highly portable format, enabling you to breeze through your reading list whether you're on the go, commuting, or even off-grid. Numerous audiobook streaming apps beckon exploration, with Audible, Amazon's audiobook hub, leading the pack. However, for those seeking a consolidated audio content platform, Spotify is a revelation. Beyond its colossal music and podcast collection, Spotify unveiled its audiobook collection in late 2022. Browsing audiobooks on Spotify is accessible to all account holders. However, to listen, one must either purchase titles individually or possess a compatible Spotify Premium subscription, which provides access to select audiobooks for free. Premium subscribers relish 15 free hours per month for specific titles, expandable through additional purchases. Yet, within Premium Duo or Premium Family plans, this perk is exclusive to the plan manager. Sadly, the Premium Student plan excludes the 15 free audiobook listening hours. Presently, buying Spotify audiobooks is exclusive to the Spotify web player. Here's how to access it. First, on your computer, head to open.spotify.com via a web browser. Then log in if needed. Next, click the search bar and now tap the Audiobooks genre tile. On the audiobooks page, eligible premium subscribers can instantly play specific titles with the remaining free hours marked included in premium. Otherwise, click buy or get to add chosen audiobooks to your library. Provide payment details if required. Once an audiobook is in your library, it's accessible on any device and you can download it for offline listening, whether you're a Spotify free user or a premium subscriber. The audiobooks genre page on the Spotify web player hosts a variety of titles, conveniently grouped into categories like new and trending releases, popular authors, or audiobooks for any activity. Spotify also boasts curated playlists for specific moods and themes. Think Great First Listens and From Book to Screen, each offering multiple audiobook titles. Additionally, you can explore all available audiobook genres by delving deeper into the full list.